Welcome back to the channel. So here is our review of the business credit cards that offer large limits even if you have fair credit. Number 7, we have Teachers Business. Our score, 7.9 over 10. So what we love about Teachers is that they gave you actually a maximum credit line of $50,000. This is really good, from a credit union for that matter. And basically you have no annual fee, you have variable interest rates, so you have a prime plus 6% or 6.5%. And the thing is, the rate is adjusted quarterly. So if you have a fair credit, not a problem. Okay, with this card, with the Teachers Business Credit Card, you can get the purchasing power you need for all of your expenses. You can actually make big and small business credit card purchases without tying up cash. You get the working capital you need to get your business moving forward. And you can save money with special discounts from popular business merchants. What we love about Teachers is that they have excellent customer service. They will work with you if you have a problem with your card, or if you want to, let's say you want to increase your business credit limit, they will actually work with you. As long as you maintain a proper payment history, you maintain a good business relationship with them. In other words, you use them for other things too, not just for business credit card, but you have a good savings account with them. You have a business checking account with them. This is kind of cool. In other words, you're trying to cultivate a great banking relationship with Teachers. They will work with you. Okay. Now, if you want to apply for this credit card, it's pretty easy. You can actually call. They have a number. So here the number is 631-698-7000. extension 1687. So you got to talk to the Teachers Business Development Officer, and so you can do this. You can email business@teachersfcu.org, or you can even drop by a branch and talk to a Teachers business rep. This is not a problem. Or you can just email them. I mean, you can mail them, not email. You can send a regular mail, and it's Teachers Federal Credit Union, P.O. Box 9005, Smithtown in New York. Okay, and so all you have to do here is that you have to have your paperwork ready, your business financials. You have to obviously you have to show them that you are a legit business. They will ask for your EIN, your articles of incorporation or articles of organization, and what have you. So you want to have the basic paperwork that is needed to apply for a loan, for a business loan or a business credit card. So Teachers Business, our score 7.9 over 10. Number 6 here, folks, we have Fairwinds Business Cash Credit Card. Our score here 8 over 10. Fairwinds is another great credit union when it comes to business credit, especially credit card. If you have fair credit, you might want to think about Fairwinds. And what we love with Fairwinds is that they have a promo going on. You can actually unlock up to $2,000 in bonus when it comes to cash back. Okay, you can receive $500 cash back when you spend $5,000 in the first 90 days your card is open, and you can receive an additional $1,500 when you spend $50,000 in the first 180 days your card is open. Okay, and what we love about the Fairwinds Business Cash is that you have unlimited. You can earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. There are no rotating categories, nothing to track. No. All purchases are okay. The card has no annual fee, no balance transfer fees, no foreign transaction fees, and they have a 0% introductory APR for the first 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. And after that, you can enjoy a great APR that ranges from 16.24% to 18%. Okay, and what we love about Fairwinds is that we love their customer service, of course, but we love the celerity, how fast they actually will send you the card. When you apply, when you get approved, let's say you get approved today, you can get a card tomorrow or 2 days from now. They're really that fast. Okay, and you can also get additional employee cards with individual spending limits. There are no restrictions. You know, like some banks will say, well, up to 99 employees. No, Fairwinds does not have that. Okay, and you can basically so long story short, with Fairwinds you have fast application, and you can also actually apply from the app, from your phone. You can call the customer service. You can go to a branch, or you can apply online. So let's say you are a current business member, right? So you log into your dashboard right now. You will see when you have your business checking account or savings account, you will see actually a button that says apply for a business credit card. So you choose the business credit card that you want, and we actually advise you to choose the Fairwinds Business Cash Credit Card. That's the one that you can easily access if you have fair credit, okay? And just fill in the paperwork, fill in all the information needed, and you should be good to go. Now, usually we advise our clients to actually call first, and like the online route is good, but it's only good if you have good credit or excellent credit. If not, it's better just to call. Number 5, we have here America's Credit Union Business Visa. Our score 8.4 over 10. And here is another great credit card from a credit union. Especially if you have fair credit, they'll work with you, they'll take care of you. And we love the fact that they actually are very generous when it comes to their credit limits. I mean, ACU over the years, they have been very generous. We're speaking about 50 grand. We have clients who have business credit cards with limits going all the way to $70,000. This is just fantastic, okay? And so the ACU business credit card features a low fixed rate, cashback security, local control, and strong benefits. So you have a fixed rate of 16.99%. I mean, this is one of the very few credit cards, business credit cards for that matter, that offers a fixed rate. Okay, this is really good. And you have, this card does come with, an annual fee though. So the annual fee is $49, but they actually waive it for the first year for you. Okay, you have 2% cash back on all purchases minus returns. You have a secure EMV credit card, and you have a savings edge. What we love about this card also is that ACU is constantly trying to beef up their offer. And for example, on this card, you can actually if you activate. Let's say you activate and make 5 purchases within the first 30 days of opening, you can receive $100. Okay, this is really good, and you can apply. Actually, you can call them up, or you can visit a branch if you want to apply. The number here is 253-591-6881, or you can visit a branch. And if you go to a branch, please make sure you have your paperwork with you. So I'm speaking here about the foundational paperwork for your company, like what makes your business legit, things like articles of incorporation, the same thing I just mentioned for Fairwinds applies here as also. Your financials, okay, and your address. You need to fill out the paperwork, your address, your business address, your home number, your phone number, personal information. If you want to do a balance transfer, you could do that also. But the thing is, this card is not really good for balance transfers. If you get the ACU Business Visa card, do not do a balance transfer. First of all, they don't have an offer on file, and on top of that, their APR for purchases is too high, so you definitely don't want that. But hey, listen, you can always negotiate. If you have let's say you have a great relationship with the credit union, give them a call and see if they can work out a deal for you. Number 4, we have here CCU Business Platinum Rewards. Our score 8.8 over 10. Of course, we are speaking about consumers credit union. Okay. Now the thing here is that when you think about CCU, a couple of things really apply. First of all, this is a great credit card, great business credit card. It has a lot of perks and rewards. I'll speak about the rewards and perks later on, but they have excellent customer service, and they are very generous with their credit limits. Okay, this is one thing that for us at least, when we analyze business credit cards, we pay attention a lot to the credit limits. Okay, because the last thing you want is to have a business credit card and they just give you like a tiny ass limit. You don't want that. $5 grand here, or what are you going to do with $5 grand? You have a business to run. So we really want to prioritize those credit limits, those credit cards that actually give you a decent credit limits. And CCU Business Platinum Rewards is one of those. Okay, now you have the APR oscillates from 13.70% to 23.70%. So the card has no annual fee. Additional cards are available for employees at no cost. You have individualized credit limits available for additional cards. So let's say you have 5 employees or 10 employees, and you're trying to separate what kind of limits each employee has access to. You can have this with CCU Platinum Rewards, with all CCU business credit cards anyway. Okay, you have a secure online account review and payment options. And what we love is that we really love the fact that CCU have a 24-hour member service with live representative. I'm talking about somebody who can actually you can talk to. That's just fantastic. And you can also talk to someone during normal CCU business hours. Okay, but during that time, you can call 1-877-275-2228. That's for normal business hours. 877-275-2228. Or after hours, you want to call 866-317-0355. Okay, now in terms of rewards, you have what they call a 3-2-1 rewards points that's priced as follows. You can earn 3x the points per dollar spent on office needs. You can earn 2x the points for travel, dining, and gas. You can earn 1x points for all other purchases. And points expire after 3 years. Okay, so this is really important to know. But overall, this is a great card. And the good thing is it even has a zero liability. Okay, which means what? You are protected if your business credit card is lost or stolen. Fantastic. Number 3, folks, we have here Connexus Business Cash Preferred. Our score 9.1/10. Another great card. You can actually with this card you can reward your business and earn up to 3% cash back on eligible net business purchases. This is really great. Then you have also a 0% intro APR for the first 6 billing cycles, and after that you have a 17.74% to 26.74% based on your credit worthiness when you open the account. What we love about this card is what we love. Obviously, Connexus has always maintained great customer service, just fantastic. But the card allows you to earn 3% cash back on eligible purchases at gas stations, office supplies, restaurants, and what have you. Okay, you can earn 1% unlimited cash back on all other eligible net purchases. You have a $25 cash back awarded after your first purchase. Okay, and they also have some kind of incentive. Let's say you receive, for instance, $100 annual software credit after 11 consecutive monthly software transactions. So this is really, really good. Okay, now one thing I want to say here is that there are so many rewards. There are so many rewards with this card, and on top of that, you actually have what we love here is that you can actually use the CCU's online reporting tools to view credit card spending by categories, transactional type, and as defined transactional period. Now this is kind of cool. Why? Because come tax period, you're good to go. You have a clear idea, okay? And you also have a free employee cards, so you can keep track of employee expenses while earning as many rewards as possible. You also have you have benefits like zero for liability and auto rental collision damage waiver that can really help you. Okay, this is kind of good. So overall, Connexus is always great. I mean, they have been in this business for a while, and they are one of the best credit unions in the country. What we love here is that they are constantly bringing new products to the market. They're constantly innovating. They are constantly kicking ass, especially when it comes to giving large, when it comes to giving generous limits on business credit cards. Okay, and again, you have a lot of credit unions. I mean, credit unions are by definition risk averse. And Connexus is also risk averse, but when it comes to limits, granting limits on credit cards, on business credit cards for that matter, they are very generous, and that's just fantastic. Number 2, boss, we have a Service Credit Union Business Platinum. Our score 9.5/10. This is a stellar credit card, a stellar business credit card that allows you to earn 1.5 points for every dollar spent, and you can enjoy low rates and no annual fees. So what we love here is that, this card is really great for business owners of all sizes. I mean, whether you have a small business, a mini business, a micro business, a medium-sized business, or a large business, you will love this Service Credit Union Business Platinum. Okay, I mean, you have benefits such as auto rental, collision damage waiver, purchase security, and extended protection. You have roadside dispatch, travel and emergency assistance services, and a cell phone protection plan. Okay, so this is really good. On top of that, they have their You Choose rewards. Okay, that's a program that allows you to get rewards points for every dollar that you spend. Just fantastic. Now, in terms of the APR here, we are looking at a range of 14.15% to 18%, and the card has no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no hidden APRs increases for the late payment. Okay, so overall, this is a great card, and basically, if you actually meet the membership requirements, this is kind of fine. And so you have a lot of benefits also when you actually go with. And one thing I need to say also is that actually a service has something great that they do. They will review your accounts, your credit card for automatic increases every 3 to 6 months. So this is really good. I mean, especially if you maintain a positive payment history, and let's say you basically tell them when they approve the card, you just have to tell them, listen, I would love to have a higher limit. I believe that my business deserves a higher limit. You have to make it clear. And once you can actually call, or you can go to a branch and just make it clear. And once you do that, what will happen here is that there will be some a piece of information on your files. And if your account is in good standing, they will raise you without a problem. Okay. And one thing I want to say also is that this card also is great for if you want to have employee cards to separate, to actually segregate the monitoring of accounts. This is totally fine, not a problem. Number one, when it comes to credit union business credit cards for fair credit that grant massive limits the first time around. Number one, the best of the best. You guessed it, Navy Federal. I mean, when it comes to Navy Federal is not just really great when it comes to business credit cards. They are also great when it comes to business loans. They are great when it comes to personal credit cards. They are great when it comes to personal loans. The cool thing is, with the Navy Federal business credit card, you have two options. You can choose the Visa option, or you can choose the MasterCard option. It's totally up to you. It depends on what kind of a payment program you enjoy. Okay, but this card is actually great because it helps you do a lot of things. Okay, the card features contactless technology, the EMV chip, so you can make purchases quickly and securely with just a tap. Okay, and so this is the card that allows you to actually separate your business finances from your personal finances while actually tracking and managing your expenses at the business level. Okay, and the APR is kind of decent too. You are looking at 12.15 to 18%. There is no annual fee. Okay, in terms of rewards, I mean, you're not like if you are getting the Navy Fed Go Biz, as the card is Go Biz Rewards, as the card is officially called, you're not just getting it because you love Navy Fed. You are getting it first and foremost because you want to earn rewards. Okay, the rewards are not that impressive because there are better cards when it comes to rewards out there. But if you want to look at the card as a whole, Navy Fed wins this rundown hands down. Okay, and one thing I want to say here is that you get, in terms of rewards, you have 1x points per dollar spent. Okay, now there are a lot of benefits with this credit card. You have no earnings cap. It's great for travel and expenses. Multiple card holders are available, and zero liability policy for unauthorized transactions. In terms of, they have two payment programs, as I told you. You have the Visa and the MasterCard. Okay, so for the Visa, here are some additional benefits you want to think about. You have protections and insurance. You have travel services. You have discounts and deals. You have business support services. That's for the Visa payment plan. For the MasterCard, you have exclusive business advantages, cellular wireless telephone protection. You have MasterCard ID theft protection, and you have Master Rental collision damage waiver. This is just fantastic. So you have, with the Navy Fed Go Biz, you have a constellation of products and features. That's just fantastic. I want to talk to you now about, let me just quickly give you something before we close to this conversation. So how do business credit card works in the first place, especially business credit cards from credit unions? Well, you have to understand that business credit cards, they are similar to personal credit cards in terms of perks and rewards structures. Okay, but the thing is, many offer higher spending limits and improved rewards for business specific categories. And business credit cards also include business focused features and tools to help track spending across various categories or by employee cardholder. So with most business credit cards, expense information remains available for download and import to the accounting software your business uses. So this is really good. And so your business does not need an EIN to apply for a business credit card, because this is something that people, a lot of small business owners think they have to have an EIN. You don't have to, but it helps. It definitely helps. So the EIN is sometimes referred to as the tax ID number for your business. So it's comparable in some ways to a social security number for a person. Okay, this is really important. Now, there are several benefits when we talk about a business credit card. So we have higher credit limits. I just said that. You can build business credits with a business credit card. And you have potential. Now, there are some potential issues for business owners. In other words, if you're out there, make sure, do not be tempted to use a business credit card for your personal affairs, for your personal expenses. This is not a good thing for you. So don't do it. Very important, okay? And so if you want to get a business credit card, the thing here is that there is a formula, there is a code you need to follow. Make sure that you determine your eligibility. You know, the card will let you know, especially if you are applying at a credit union, they have stringent policies. So make sure that you actually you are eligible for this specific business credit card, the credit union business credit card that you need, right? And you want to also gather the required information, very important. And so if you are, let's say, if you are a startup and you are trying to get a business credit card from a credit union, there are a lot of things you can do. Please research your options. Today's conversation, I gave you 7 credit unions. Now, you might not qualify for a membership at all the 7, okay? And so you want to research your option and you want to check your credit before applying. Obviously, we are speaking about having fair credit. Yeah, this is kind of cool, but you need to make sure that you indeed have fair credit, not bad credit or excellent credit, which will put you in a different category either way. So make sure that you are in the right bandwidth for your credit score. And here is my bonus for you. If you have made it so far, I want to share something with you right now and say that if you want to apply for your business credit card, there are some pieces of information you need to gather. Okay, so your business legal name, address, and phone number, the type of business and industry designation, your legal business structure, your EIN. It's optional, but you still might need it. If you don't use your EIN, you will need your social anyway. The number of employees on payroll and the approximate annual business revenue. And the thing is, this is only FYI. Okay, the lender or the credit card issuer, for that matter, just wants to have an idea of your financial stability. Very important to have a clear idea of your financial stability. Now, if you, let's say, if you are wondering right now which card is best for my business, well, the right card for your business will really depend on how you operate your business, what types of purchases you make. Okay, the types of purchases you make are very important. What benefits you are interested in. So do you travel often for business? Do you take clients out for frequent meals? Do you buy products in bulk from specific companies that may participate in rewards programs? Okay, so these are the kinds of spending patterns that you need to take into account. So what you will see is that the business credit card issuer will ask you questions about what you will use the card for. Okay, and this is important. Now, one thing you need to make sure that you apply with the bank where you are currently at, because see the thing is, sometimes people just, the bank or credit union, the thing is, people always are interested in credit cards that they cannot qualify for. It's a lot easier if you are with let's say you are with Teachers or you are with Navy Fed. It's a lot easier to get a Gold Biz from them than trying to go for trying to go for another business credit card that is so far away from you. Okay, you want to apply for a business credit card at the same institution with which you already have a relationship. Very important. We say this on all our shows because they know you. They've seen your ass for a while. They know who you are. They've seen your movements. Okay, and it's just a lot easier to apply there. Before I actually do a recap here, please check out our approach. We do have a strict approach, a strict methodology when it comes to categorizing, reviewing, and listing business credit cards on this show. Check this out. All right, let's quickly do a recap here. Here are the top seven credit union business credit cards for fair credit that grant massive limits the first time around. Number 1, Navy Federal, the Navy Federal Gold Biz, okay, 9.8 over 10. Number 2, we have here Service Credit Union Business Platinum, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, we have the Connexus Business Cash Preferred, 9.1 over 10. Number 4, we have the CCU, the Consumers Credit Union Business Platinum Rewards. Number 5, we have America's Credit Union ACU Business Visa. Number 6, we have Fairwinds Business Cash. Number 7, we have Teachers Business. Thank you so much for your attention. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.